Live your Big Apple dream in an affordable student home at 307 West 93rd 4WB and create countless memories throughout your academic journey. Welcome to privacy and convenience at this furnished private room, which offers a cozy bed, a spacious closet for clothes, a dining table with chairs that can double as a study space for academics, and even a cabinet for extra storage. Your kitchenette is fitted with a microwave, induction stove, mini fridge, and sink plus cupboards. Lounge on the sofa, take long showers in your private bathroom, and dive into your daily routine while enjoying an elevator and on-site laundry. The deal becomes sweeter with the inclusive Wi-Fi and utility bills. That's not all. You'll find above Columbia University and Juilliard School just 11 minutes by local commute or an 8-minute drive away. Explore exciting activities nearby, from dining at Carmen's Italian restaurant to a 6-minute drive to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Dive into NYC culture at the nearby Central Park and recreate your favorite stills from your favorite show. Your student journey isn't just a room, it's an experience. Find out more at amberstudent.com. And remember, the early bird catches the worm.